Hello Deepak, how are you? I am fine, but my father is not well. Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What's wrong? The doctor says his liver is not functioning properly. Which doctor have you consulted? Dr. Khanna. He had recommended some tests. Have you got the reports? Yes, and the doctor has already started the treatment. Oh, I see. Has there been any improvement? Yes, but the progress is very slow. Did you speak to the doctor about it? Yes, I did, but he says we have to be a little patient. Any restrictions about diet, food, etc.? Yes, the doctor has recommended only boiled food. Lots of liquids and no tea or coffee. Please be careful about the diet. Yes, we are doing our best. Anything I can do, Deepak? No thanks, Prashant, just drop in sometime. Yes, sure, bye Deepak.